Alright, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get rid of ads on Spotify and get unlimited skips. So first of all, head over to the link in the description and go to the mega.nz link and click download here, and then just wait for this to install. And then you're going to need to install WINRAR, so I'll have a download to that in the description. And then as soon as you've done that, you'll find it here. Double click that, close anything that opens up, open the folder, and you'll see two things here: install.bat and downgrade.bat. So just close off Spotify if you have it open, double click the downgrade.bat, and then just let it run. Alright, so once that's done, your Spotify should open up again. It should look like this, perfectly normal. Go back to the folder in the WinRAR tab, and then click install.bat, and it should close, and then you'll see all of this come up. Press any key to continue, and then it should be finished. After this, you should not have any ads and then unlimited skips in your Spotify. So I've got a playlist here. Let me just spam the skip button. Thank you guys for watching. If this worked for you, remember to leave a like and comment saying that it worked, and stay tuned for the next video.